What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, and today we are doing something a little different. We're starting to focus on bringing Geneva back to life and making her look better. So we're going to start with the interior, and today we are just going to change the roof liner. The roof liner. We're going to change it from that tan ugly color to a black suede color. I'm going to show you everything that you need, all that good stuff. So without further ado, y'all stay tuned. So these are materials you're going to need. I got just an adhesive to actually adhere the fabric to your headliner. I bought paint for all the little trim pieces that are tan to paint them back black. I bought squeegees just to help the fabric adhere to the headliner, and then just the fabric itself. And of course, obviously the tools to take your headliner off is different for every car, so just check up on your car in particular, and let's proceed with the video. This is the tan ugly interior that I'm talking about. The rest of the car is black, but for some reason they decided to make the headliner tan, which makes no sense to me. So we're gonna do something about that. So let's proceed with getting this headliner off. Also helping me today, I got my lovely assistant. She decided to take her valuable time to help me with this project, and it means a lot to me, so thank you. And then our channel mascot, my boy AJ. What up, dude? Say what's up to the people. Or not, but you get the gist of it. Let's keep rolling. So taking the interior apart in this car, there are videos you can look up, but it's pretty simple. Pretty much every trim piece has to come off, like these, the card holder, the interior, the lights, microphone, that, and the back pillars, and also the A pillars. And once you pop all those off, there are clips that you have to detach from all four sides, and it should come off in theory. So I'm gonna time lapse that for y'all. Okay, so make them run it back.
One eternity later.
And just like that, headliner is out. And now comes the tedious work, actually wrapping it and everything else associated with it. So let's get into it. So this is probably one of the harder parts. I'm using the Gorilla Glue adhesive, and what you want to do is spray on this side and this side. Allow it to dry for maybe like 30-45 seconds, and then you adhere, and then you use a squeegee to rub it out. So it'll look something like this. So what had happened was, we did get the headliner in. It does look better, but a lot of the trim pieces and the paint that I used did not come out how I wanted it to. So there will be a part 2 of this video on me fixing that and getting that right, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. And then next we're gonna attack this dash, because it's terrible looking. So just hold on, you feel me, and we'll get you yeah, it's your boy J-Lo, and I love y'all. See y'all later. Deuces. Make 'em run it back.